Hi all. This video is about the second type of problem which you can expect in DFA. That is construction of DFA, which will accept the strings that has AB as substring. So this is that has AB as substring, or it is not necessary that it should be AB only. So it can be anything. So they can ask you as 0, 1 as substring, AAB as substring, or anything else they can give you, and they can ask you to construct the DFA for that. So as I told you earlier, the first step will be to find out the 1 minute. First step will be to find out the language for these type of problems. That is, starting with substring and ending with, you're supposed to identify the language first. So here, what will be the language? So the language first will be AB, because it will have epsilon here and epsilon here. So this will be the basic first string. Okay, after that it can have anything like A, B, A, 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 B, B, and B, A, B, 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 A, B, A. Okay, so all of these you can see AB as the substring. Okay, so it can have any number of strings in the language. So I have listed a few. So for this you are supposed to draw the or construct the DFA. Okay, so DFA, when you are going to construct, I told you take the first string, that is the basic string. It has two symbols in it. So 2 plus 1 will be the number of nodes. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so this is Q0, Q1, Q2. So first it is accepting A as input and it is moving to Q1. Next it is accepting B as input and it is going to Q2. So this is the basic string which is accepted. So this is going to be the final state. Now I can have any number of A's and B's in the front and in the end also. So if I give a self loop here, and if I say A comma B, suppose if I say like this, then this will not be a DFA, because here you are accepting A and you are moving to Q0, and here you are accepting A and you are moving to Q1. So you are accepting same input and you are moving to two different states. So which is not possible. So you are supposed to you are not supposed to give anything like this, but giving B is possible. So give B as input, because this is a different input and this is a different input. So I can accept any number of A's, that is before my AB substring. So here I can accept any number of B, but what if I get any number of A's after this? So to accept any number of A's, make a self loop here. Okay, so actually the thing is, you need any number of A's and B. You can have any number of A's and B's before, and you can have any number of A's and B's after this. Okay, so for that we have achieved any number of B's in this place, and if you get a 1A, this is accepted here, and after that if you get more than 1A, that is accepted through this self loop. Okay, so now at the end you should have any number of A's and B's. This is possible, that is A comma B is possible, because Q2 on receiving A, it is moving to Q2. Okay, Q2 on receiving A, it is moving to Q2, and Q2 on receiving B, it is moving to Q2. This is also possible. This is possible because it is different input. This is different input. Okay, so this is possible. So this is the final construction for a DFA to accept strings that has AB as substring. Now moving on to the transition table. So here you are supposed to write the current state. So what are all the states involved here? So let me say Q0, Q1 and Q2. and this is the next state, and input is A, B. Okay, Q0 on receiving A, it moves to Q1. Q0 on receiving B, it is moving to Q0. Q1 on receiving A, it is moving to Q1 itself. Q1 on receiving B, it is moving to Q2. Q2 on receiving A, it is moving to Q2 itself, and Q2 on receiving B, it is moving to Q2 itself. So Q0 is the starting state, which is represented like this, and Q2 is the final state, which is represented like this. Now moving on to the pi tuple notation, DFA is equal to Q epsilon del Q0 comma F. Okay, so now D is equal to what are give the set of states used here. So it is Q0, Q1, comma Q2, and the set of inputs used here A and B. Del is the list of transition function which should be listed here, and then Q0 is the starting state and Q2 is the final state. Okay. Now moving on to the transition function. Transition function del is equal to current state comma any input when it is given what is the next state it is moving to. When you give this is known as transition function. So write it down for all the states. Q0 comma A is equal to, so it is moving to Q1. Del of Q0 comma B, it is moving to Q0. So on receiving B, it is moving to Q0. So Q1 on receiving A and Q1 on receiving B. So what is it? Either you can take it from the diagram or from the table. So Q1 on receiving A, it is moving to itself. Q1 on receiving B, it is moving to Q2. Okay, next is del of Q2 comma A and del of Q2 comma B. So it is a self loop which is moving to itself. So it is going to be Q2 comma Q2. So with this, the type 2 category is over. Thank you.